Which city is known as the sailing capital of the United States and was once the actual capital of the United States? If you said Annapolis, then treat yourself to a Maryland crab cake. One of the oldest cities in the country, it is home to the US Naval Academy, the National Sailing Hall of Fame, and is the capital of Maryland. In its well-preserved neighborhoods that date back to 1649, it's an incredible place to take a walk around, and we will do just that. Join me in this series as we stroll through its iconic streets. We will check in with such spots as City Dock, the Governor's Residence, and the Maryland State House, where George Washington famously resigned his commission as Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army. Come on, I'll show you the ropes.
Really?
And it just started raining again. It was off and on before, and you saw that big puddle down at City Dock, or it's a bit more than a puddle. But it's just started up again.
They were not all slaves. So it's a mistake when people think
So the rain is let up again, and this area is definitely flooded. And this is pretty sad over here. So there is this tree, and there's a plaque above the bench. It says this tree is in memory of Leilana James Fitzsimmons, and there's a picture of her, very happy, Lainey, 5-year-old girl when she died, 2012, 2017. Lover of the world and feeder of ducks. Very sad. And these are, I'm guessing she may have come down here to this area and fed these ducks. Maybe. But there are plenty of them. And then there's this. Oh, this is the Alex Haley Memorial. Of course, he wrote Roots. And I'm guessing that he is reading his book to a bunch of kids. And of course, Roots is about the slave trade from Africa to the US and then everything after that.
Are those your new Ultra staff?
Yes.
Alex Haley, Family and Heritage. Alex Haley and his family's story, Roots, shows how the strength of the human spirit to overcome challenges comes from maintaining strong family connections and pride in one's heritage. Here, Alex shares heritage stories with children of diverse ethnic groups. Annapolis Summer Garden Theater.